Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying model and firmware so you download the correct package. This prevents bricking. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi or, better, Ethernet to avoid mid-update drops. Make sure you have at least 2 GB free or a formatted USB drive for temporary files and backup. Also keep the remote and the TV's power switch within reach. Don't rely on batteries alone. Now that prerequisites are set, proceed to obtain the update through Settings or a verified Xenon update file. You will now download or load the update. If you choose Settings System Update, let the TV fetch and verify the OTA package. This ensures integrity. If you prefer manual install, copy the official Xenon update file to a FAT32 or XFAT USB at the drive's root, then boot into recovery to apply update from external storage. During installation, watch the progress and avoid interrupting power or network. If verification fails, recheck file name and model compatibility before retrying. You finish by letting the TV reboot and completing post-update checks. Verify the build number, test apps, and confirm network and HDMI devices function. If the device enters a boot loop, don't panic. Boot to recovery, clear the cache partition, and attempt reapplying the update from the USB file. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure you've backed up user data first. Remember, using the exact Xenon package for your model reduces risk and usually fixes most update failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.